Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Stan Store account. All right. So there will be two steps. First up, we'll have to cancel our subscription. And then the second one is by contacting support. Okay. So go ahead and go to settings right here at the bottom left. Click on it. Now go ahead over to billing. Okay. Click on billing. Then go ahead and click on cancel subscription. Okay. Click on it and follow the simple prompts. Once done, go ahead and open up your emailing service, for example, gmail.com, Outlook, or even Yahoo. All right. So in here under Gmail, I'm just going to go ahead and click on compose. And then two, make sure to send a deletion request to friends@stanwith.me. All right. This one. Again, friends@stanwith.me. Just click on it. Now go ahead over to subject and type in account deletion, just like so. And then here, just go ahead and request the full deletion of your Stan account, including all stored data and login access. Okay. Once that's done, just hit on send and wait for their reply. All right. They will guide you through the remaining steps on how to delete your account. Okay. And that is how you delete your Stan Store account. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.